India has asked all its citizens residing in Iran to leave the country immediately, citing rising instability and security concerns. The advisory was issued by the Minister of External Affairs as nationwide protests continue and tensions mount over possible military actions involving the United States. Official estimates suggest that over 10,000 Indians, including students, are currently living in Iran. The government has strongly advised against any travel to the country and urged those present to exit through available means. The situation in Iran has worsened following widespread protests triggered by economic collapse and political unrest, which have reportedly led to over 2,500 deaths. Human rights groups say the protests have spread across all provinces, intensifying pressure on Iranian government. Indian officials have described the advisory as a precautionary measure, emphasizing that the safety of citizens remain the government's top priority.